Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to organize Google Classroom. So let's have a look now. At first, open Google Classroom and create a structured Classwork section. Utilize the Classwork tab to organize content into topics such as units, weeks, or specific themes related to your subject. Click on the Create button and select Topic to add new sections. Arrange them logically. Within each topic, add assignments, materials, and resources related to that specific topic or unit. Use the Create button to create assignments, questions, materials, quizzes, and more. Use the Assign to feature when creating assignments to target specific students or groups. This personalizes the learning experience. Schedule announcements, assignments, and materials to be released at specific times to maintain an organized timeline. Link resources directly from Google Drive. Attach Google Docs, slides, sheets, or other files to assignments or materials. Utilize the Stream section for class-wide announcements, updates, or important information. Pin critical announcements for quick access. Use the direct messaging feature to communicate with individual students or groups for specific queries and feedback. Regularly check the People tab to manage students, add new students, or remove inactive ones. Add other teachers as co-teacher. They can assist in managing and organize class content. Archive old or completed topics to decluttered. Archive old or completed topics in the Classwork section. Archive topics can be accessed later if needed. Consider deleting old or completed assignments to keep the Classwork section concise. Review and set permissions to manage posting and commenting. Allow students to post or comment or require their submissions to go through your approval. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.